Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are going to learn the properties of rational numbers. As the individual, everyone is having their individual differences, or we can say having different qualities. Same as in number system, rational number also having some qualities, some properties. And today we are going to discuss about those properties one by one. So first property is properties of addition. We'll talk about the properties under addition. So first property is closure property of addition. In that, if we add two rational numbers, then their sum will be also a rational number. For example, you have taken two numbers, one is 1 by 6 and another number is minus 2 by 6. You will add it by taking LCM. LCM will be 6. So 6 divisible by 6, you will get 1, and 1 will be multiplied with denominator, it will be 1. Same as 6 divisible by 6, you will get 1, and 1 multiplied with minus 2, you will get minus 2. So after subtraction, you will get minus 1 by 6, which is a rational number because it can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where Q not equals to 0. So our next property is that is associative property. In that, if P upon Q, R upon S and T by U are three rational numbers, as अगर आपके पास three rational numbers हैं, then P upon Q plus R upon S in bracket plus T over U equals to P upon Q plus bracket R by S plus T by U bracket closed, where Q, S and U should not be equals to 0. इसमें क्या है कि अगर आपके पास तीन नंबर्स हैं ऐड करने के लिए, रैशनल नंबर्स थ्री हैं ऐड करने हैं, तो अगर आप फर्स्ट टू को ऐड कर रहे हो और उसके बाद थर्ड वाला नंबर ऐड कर रहे हो, देन उसकी एडिशन किसके इक्वल होगी? अगर आप फर्स्ट को छोड़ के पहले सेकंड एंड थर्ड नंबर को ऐड कर रहे हो तो उसके इक्वल आई। मीन्स टू से इसमें ग्रुपिंग का कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा, ग्रुपिंग डजेंट मैटर कि अगर आप फर्स्ट टू को पहले ऐड कर रहे हो या फिर लास्ट टू को ऐड कर रहे हो, बट योर आंसर विल रिमेन सेम। एज यू कैन सी एग्जाम्पल 2 by 3 plus bracket 4 by 5 plus minus 2 by 5 bracket equals to 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 bracket closed plus minus 2 by 5. So let's start solving left side. For solving left side, firstly we will do addition of these two rational numbers. Here denominators are same, so denominator same, then need not to take LCM. Directly we can take 5 as a LCM. So 4 minus 2 plus 2 by 3, same as 2 by 3 plus addition will be 2 by 5. Now 3 and 5 denominators are different, there is need to take LCM. So LCM of 3 and 5 will be 15. After taking LCM 15, then 15 is divisible by 3, so answer will be 5, and 5 will be multiplied with the denominator, so answer will be 10. Similarly, 15 divided with 5, 3 is multiplied with 2, so answer will be 6. After adding, you will get 16 over 15. That is our final answer. So look for the other hand, that is right hand side. Similarly, we are going to add now first two numbers, then we will add the third number. So first two numbers, there is denominator different, there is need to take LCM. LCM will be 15. So 15, same procedure we have to follow as previously we have followed. So 10 plus 12, it becomes 22 over 15. Now we have to add third number. Third number is minus 2 by 5. So plus minus 2 by 5. Now there is denominator different, there is need to take LCM of 5 and 15. It will be 15. 15 divisible by 15, answer will be 1. 1 multiply with 22, it will be 25. 2. So minus 15 is divisible by 5, 3. 3 is multiplied with 2. So answer will be 6. 22 minus 6 over 15 equal to 16 over 15. This means left hand side equals to right hand side. So friends, in that, as in associative property, ordering, or we can say the grouping doesn't matter in associative property. Either you can add first two rational numbers and then third, or you can go for leaving first rational number and add last, second and third integer first. So our next property, that is existence of additive identity. Additive identity, if P upon Q is a rational number, then there exists a rational number 0 such that P upon Q plus 0 equals to P upon Q equals to 0 plus P upon Q, where Q not equals to 0. This means students, if you are going to add 0 in any number, for example 2 by 3 plus 0, and or you can going to add another number in the 0, then answer will remain same. या तो आप 0 में किसी नंबर को ऐड कर रहे हो या फिर नंबर में 0 को ऐड कर रहे हो, तो आंसर आपका क्या आएगा, सेम आएगा. यहाँ पे देखो 2 by 3 plus 0, when we are going to take LCM will be 3, 2 plus 0, answer will be 2 by 3. अगर आपने देखो 0 के बीच में कोई नंबर ऐड किया है, ये रैशनल नंबर ऐड कर रहे हो 0 में, तो आपके पास आंसर क्या आएगा, 3 LCM 0 plus 2 equal to 2 by 3. Similarly, then both answers are same. 2 by 3 plus 0 equal to 0 by plus 2 by 3. And this is known as existence of additive identity, or 0 is called additive identity. So our next property, that is fifth property of rational numbers of addition, that is existence of additive inverse. Additive inverse means if the number is positive, then the inverse will be in the negative. If number is negative, then their inverse will be in the positive. So a rational number P upon Q, there exists another rational number minus P upon Q such that addition of both number as well as another number, addition equals to 0, same as minus P upon Q plus P upon Q. So answer will remain 0. Similarly, hence the P upon Q and minus P upon Q is additive inverse of each other. If we talk about P upon Q, what will be inverse of this? Minus P upon Q. And if we talk about minus P upon Q, their inverse will be P upon Q. For example, I have taken here number 1 by 4 and their additive inverse, it will be minus 1 by 4. If I am just going to add both the numbers, then what I am going to get? So LCM will be 4, 1 minus 1 equals to 0 over 4. So overall answer is 0. 0 over something, it will be 0. And if I just add additive inverse and the number, both numbers are added, then also I am going to get 0. So LCM is 4 minus 1 plus 1. It will be minus 1 plus 1. It will be 0. 0 by 4 is equals to 0. This means additive inverse 1 by 4 plus minus 1 by 4 equals to minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equals to 0. One thing more, you have to just keep in mind that additive inverse doesn't exist for the natural number, whole numbers and fractions, because these numbers exist in the positive form only. So their additive inverse doesn't exist. So students, our next concept, that is properties of subtraction. Now as same we have done earlier, properties of addition of rational numbers, that was in addition, and now it will be in the subtraction. So see, first property, that is closure property of subtraction. in that if you subtract two rational numbers, P upon Q and R over S, P upon Q minus R over S equals to a rational number. Means if you subtract two rational numbers, then answer will be also a rational number. So similarly, next property, that is commutative property of subtraction. If you subtract two numbers, and as we can say P upon Q minus R over S not equal to R over S minus P upon Q. As in the previous concept we have done in addition, ordering of the numbers doesn't matter. Means to say answer will come same. But my dears, in the subtraction, ordering of the numbers matters a lot. It will change the answer. So see how it will change the answer. As I have taken 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4, and here 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. As if we will solve this side, then LCM will be 4, 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3, answer will be minus 1 by 4. Similarly, this side LCM will be 4, 3 minus 2, it will be 1, 1 by 4. Both left side and right side are not equal. Minus 1 by 4 not equal to 1 by 4. So, commutative property of subtraction does not hold good for subtraction of rational numbers. अगर आप दो नंबर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो और उसके बाद उनका ऑर्डर चेंज करके सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो, तो आपका आंसर है वो दोनों का सेम नहीं आएगा. इसीलिए ये प्रॉपर्टी जो है सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए होल्ड नहीं होती है. So students, next property, that is associative property of subtraction. In that grouping, as we have done in addition, grouping doesn't matter, but in subtraction, grouping of the numbers matters a lot. As P upon Q minus R upon S, that is in bracket, minus T over U, that is the third rational number, not equals to P upon Q minus bracket R over S minus T upon U, bracket closed. In that, if three rational numbers are there and if you are going to subtract first two, then third number, and if not equals to first number, firstly you will solve the second and third number and then subtracting it from the first number, then my dears, your answer will not match, because this property doesn't hold good for subtraction of rational numbers. Both the sides, left side and right side, will not be equal. So next, that is existence of identity property. Identity property, that is 0. As we have done in addition, if we add any number in the 0 or 0 in any number, then answer remain same. But in subtraction, it will be changed. As you have taken this rational number P upon Q minus 0 and another number 0 minus P upon Q, both answer will not match. As you can see in the example, 2 by 3, this is rational number, subtracted identity property, minus 0 means identity property, that is 2 by 3 minus 0. So answer is 2 by 3. But if you subtract something from 0, then the sign will be changed. So sign will be negative 2 by 3. And left side and right side is not equal. 2 by 3 not equals to minus 2 by 3. So for subtraction, this property is also not hold good. Existence of identity property doesn't hold good for subtraction. Next and last property, that is existence of inverse property. So as we have done in addition, that was hold good, because when we were adding number, rational number and inverse, then answer comes same. But here in the subtraction, answer will be changed. As you have taken P upon Q, one number, rational number, and their additive inverse, that is minus P upon Q. going to subtract it because this is property of subtraction. So subtract it, and what you are going to get, that will be not equals to minus p upon q minus p upon q. Both the sides will not be equal. You can get it through an example. So see here in example, 2/3 minus 2/3 का आपने क्या किया है यहाँ पे इन्वर्स. इन्वर्स क्या होगा, माइनस 2/3. ये खुद नंबर है और ये इसका इन्वर्स है. दोनों को आप जब सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो दोनों साइंस टुगेदर आ रहे हैं, एक साथ आ रहे हैं, तो ये क्या किस में चेंज हो जाएंगे, प्लस में. 2/3 प्लस 2/3, then answer will be LCM 3, 2 plus 2, answer will be 4/3. But on the other hand, if you will take inverse of a number and the number itself, now this is 2/3, this is inverse and this is number, so both are subtracted here. LCM is 3 minus 2 minus 2, that will be minus 4/3. Here left side you got 4/3, but right side answer is minus 4/3. Both the sides are not equal. So the property of existence of inverse, this is also not hold good for subtraction. At the conclusion, we can say that in the properties of rational number of subtraction, only one property, that is closure property. Closure property holds good. All the other properties does not hold good.